Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Kootenay Pass, one of the highest paved mountain passes in British Columbia. This scenic stretch sits along the famous Crow's Nest Highway and offers breathtaking views of rugged peaks and deep valleys. Its history ties back to the early highway construction of the 1950s, when crews carved a road through these mountains to open up trade and travel routes. Today, the pass is a lifeline for travelers, linking the East and West Kootenay regions. Whether you are passing through on a road trip or stopping to soak in the mountain scenery, Kootenay Pass is a place you won't forget. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Kootenay Pass, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.